Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're looking at boosting your English fluency, maybe faster than you'd think. We've got this list, 7 steps, from an English teacher really experienced, like 30-plus years.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, and each step has a little practical thing you can actually do.
So not just theory, actionable stuff.
Exactly. Our mission today, let's unpack these, see how realistic they are, and, if they can genuinely help you get fluent quicker.
Sounds good. I like the focus on simple steps. Sometimes language learning feels, well, huge. So breaking it down is smart.
Totally. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1, focus on pronunciation.
Right, the foundation.
The exercise is pick one tricky sound or word, like they give the example, "the" in think.
Ah, the classic "the." Yeah.
And just say it 10 times.
Yeah.
Slowly, clearly.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's like a targeted practice. You're isolating one thing. Instead of trying to fix everything at once, you nail down that one sound. It's like zeroing in. It can actually make a pretty quick difference to how clear you sound overall.
Okay, building block by block. I like that. So from sounds to, talking. Step 2 is ask and answer simple questions.
Getting interactive.
The practice here is using, say, ChatGPT or Siri or maybe a language partner. Just 5 questions and answers a day.
Yeah, even that little bit helps. It forces you to actually, use the language, formulate thoughts, pull out words.
Keep it with AI.
Yeah, absolutely. It's low pressure. You're retrieving info, putting sentences together. It's active, not passive.
Got it. Okay, step 3 is one we hear a lot. Speak English every day.
The consistency thing.
Right. But the exercise is specific. Talk to yourself for like 2 minutes in the evening.
Yeah.
About your day in English.
That might feel a bit weird at first, maybe.
Maybe. But I can see the logic. No pressure, right?
Exactly. No fear of making mistakes in front of someone. You just practice narrating your own life using relevant vocabulary. It makes it stick.
Okay, moving on. Step 4 brings in listening. Listen to English daily.
Input, input, input. Crucial.
The suggestion. A short podcast, maybe 5-10 minutes, while you're doing something else, walking, cooking.
Yeah, passive listening. It's surprisingly effective. Your brain picks up rhythms, intonation, common phrases, even if you're not, intensely studying it.
Sort of like language osmosis.
Kinda, yeah. You just absorb the sounds and flow over time.
Cool. All right, step 5 gets more active again. Shadow native speakers.
Ah, shadowing. I like this one.
Explain it. The exercise is short video, listen to a sentence, pause, repeat it immediately. Copy the speaker's tone and speed.
It's about mimicry. You're training your mouth, your ear, everything. You start to get the music of the language, the intonation, the rhythm, where the stress falls. It's not just about what words, but how they sound.
Really connecting the listening and speaking parts.
Precisely.
Okay, step 6 feels very practical. Practice common phrases and expressions.
Oh yeah, the everyday stuff.
Like memorize and actually use 3 common phrases. Things like, "What's up?" or "I'm on my way."
Huge confidence booster. Knowing these little phrases helps you jump into conversations more easily. Make you sound more natural, too.
Like conversational shortcuts.
Sort of, yeah. They grease the wheels of interaction.
Nice. And the last one, step 7, read aloud every day.
Back to speaking, but with a script.
Exactly. Read an article, a short story, whatever. Out loud. 5 minutes.
This connects the visual word to the spoken sound. You practice pronunciation in context. You see sentence structures while saying them. It improves flow.
So it ties reading and speaking together.
Reinforces both.
Okay, so let's recap quickly. 1, pronunciation focus. 2, simple Q&A. 3, speak daily, even to yourself. 4, listen daily. 5, shadowing. 6, common phrases. 7, read aloud.
7 steps, all pretty small, manageable things you can weave into your day.
It's that consistency, isn't it? Little bits, often.
That seems to be the core idea. Small, sustainable actions beat, heroic cramming sessions.
Definitely. So a final thought for you listening. Looking at these 7 simple practices from someone who's taught English for ages, which one feels like the easiest first step for you? Which could you slide into your routine like tomorrow?
Yeah, and just imagine what difference even that one small change might make to how confident you feel, how much you understand.
That's something to think about.